by Nevs.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel where I review the latest and greatest gadgets and gizmos. Today, we're going to take a look at the Huawei Nova 11, the newest smartphone from Huawei that promises to be a game changer in the mid-range segment. Let's see what this phone has to offer. But before that guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, please smash that subscribe button to help this channel grow. And don't miss all my greatest and latest tech news and reviews. Let's get it started. Let us start with the unboxing. Once you open the box, you will see the phone itself. And it has SIM ejector and free silicone case, which is nice. There's a USB-A and Type-C cable and the 66 watts fast charger. Unfortunately, there's no headphone jack included. The Nova 11 has a stunning These are my sample shots of Huawei Nova 11 camera. Let me know your thoughts in the comment down below.
So here guys, you can do the front and rear camera at the same time. Right.
The Huawei Nova 11 is powered by a Snapdragon 778G, a 4G chipset, which is a powerful processor that can handle multitasking and gaming with ease. The phone also has an 8GB of RAM and 256 of internal storage with base model, but unfortunately not expandable, but it's okay. For me, 256GB is more than enough for all my apps and files. The phone runs on EMUI 13 for global version, which is based on Android 12 and offers a seamless AI live experience. If you have a concern on apps, no need to worry because all of the apps that you needed, especially the Google apps, are now available in App Gallery. Moreover, the battery life of the Huawei Nova 11 is also impressive, with a 4500 mAh battery, which is more than enough for a day of usage. It also supports a 66 watts Huawei Supercharged Turbo, which means that you can charge your phone from 0 to 100% in just 30 minutes only, which is quite fast. The Huawei Nova 11 also has other features that makes it a great smartphone, such as a dual SIM support, NFC, Bluetooth 5.2, Wi-Fi 6, a stereo speaker, and an in-display fingerprint sensor and face unlock. The Huawei Nova 11 is priced at 1,899 dirham here in Dubai, which is very competitive for phone with such high-end specifications and features. So overall, the Huawei Nova 11 is a great choice for this price range. It has great selfie camera for young generation, a big battery and fast charging technology. It has a great design which is very thin and light. It is a stylish and powerful device that delivers impressive performance. So, what do you think of the Huawei Nova 11? Is it worth buying? Let us know in the comments down below. And if you like this video, sub to the channel is innovative. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.